Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to make a video on my Harley Davidson 1200 custom Sportster and the reason why the back brakes started not working right. A couple of weeks ago I took a ride and went to apply the back brakes, and the pedal went all the way down, and then on top of that, once I released the pedal, I felt the bike bogging down, like the brakes was holding. So I said, well, next time I get a chance, I'm going to go find out what the problem is. So I decided to go ahead and check the reservoir for the back brakes, which is right here, and let me put some light on it. And what I found out, or what it looks like, as you can see on the top edge, it looks like it's gelling. And according to manufacturer, this is supposed to be .5 only. Is the data plate right there, or the cover plate. It says .5 brake fluid only. So what I found out was I had water infiltration. And if you can actually see it, all the way on the bottom, that murky looking substance down there is actually water. I took a mini screwdriver and moved it around, and it was making bubbles. So obviously I have water in my lines, which goes up right there, goes all the way across to the other side to my disc brakes, because I have disc brakes on the front and rear. And by the way, this is my this is a 1996 1200 custom. So now what I need to do is get some .5 and go ahead and flush the system, because as I went to the other side to see if I could see my my pads and how much I had left on the pads, it looked like let me see, you can't really see it because it's kind of dark in there, but anyway, from what I could see after shining a light on it, it looked like there was still plenty of material left on the pads. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get the .5 and remove the reservoir, because I'm going to have to clean it up real good to get rid of all that nasty gel substance that's on the top. Clean the gasket right there, and then proceed to go ahead and flush it. So, well, this is going to be it for this video. I will post an update once I get the .5 and have this already all cleaned out and put back together, and I'll show you how I bled it. Alright, thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys.